Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpe, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke Jylla.
President ka Voice of the People Party uba Ardent Mela Besaimon, Ulaong ba ka Jingiap jong MP ka Shillong, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, Hamawyong Community Health Center, ka Pynpaw ka Jingduna ha ka Rukom Sumar. Ula ka daw ba ka kaipot jing token, jong ka sorkar bat ka jing ikren jong UMLA ka than, kipin ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka tay ka CHC, bat ka niya ka pinshisha ba ka Rukom Sumar ha Meghalaya, kalong ka bampat biang. Ula ongru bakamde kapor ban kinno ikibriw shimen, hindre ka sorkar kade ban pinbiang ikinong tre, ka jingdon ki doktor, bat kitiar jingdon kam ki health center, bat CHC ban pintiknay ka jing sumar ka papaka.
You see, I think you have seen the report of the inquiry conducted by the government, and you have heard also what the local MLA had, said about the condition of that particular CSC. So that itself, I think, is speak volume of the fact that healthcare in Meghalaya is very good.
But there are also talks of rumors that a particular in charge of a particular CHC was not available at that time. So any take on that?
I'm not aware, and we don't want to talk to any specific individual. But we have to speak about how government manage, these health centers, how the government provide manpower in these health centers. Unless the government, provide the required strength of staff, the required infrastructures that are needed for the health centers as CHC, I don't see that we shall deviate to any other topics to discuss.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. Why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.